Discover a world of innovation and convenience with cool gadgets from Amazon. From cutting-edge tech to clever lifestyle solutions, Amazon's curated selection features gadgets that redefine convenience and style. Explore a diverse range of products that promise to enhance your daily life and keep you on the forefront of modern technology. Hey amazing viewers, welcome back to our channel. I am thrilled to have you here. Today, we've got 10 cool gadgets from Amazon. Now, let us jump right into the adventure. Number 1. Dobot Magician. The Dobot Magician is a versatile robotic arm designed for educational and professional applications. Offering precise and programmable movements, it is a powerful tool for teaching robotics, automation, and coding. With a variety of end effectors, including a gripper and laser engraver, it adapts to different tasks. The Magician supports various programming languages and integrates with visual programming environments, making it accessible for users with varying skill levels. Featuring a user-friendly interface, it facilitates hands-on learning and experimentation. Whether used in classrooms or research labs, the Dobot Magician provides a dynamic platform for exploring robotics and automation in an interactive and engaging manner. Number 2. Dudo Sleep Aid Device. The Dudo Sleep Aid device is a unique and innovative solution designed to help users achieve better sleep. Operating as a metronome with a soft blue light, Dudo guides users through a rhythmic breathing exercise that syncs with its light pulses. This calming process helps slow down the nervous system, promoting relaxation and naturally inducing sleep. With customizable settings, users can adapt Dudo to their preferences. Its non-intrusive design and simple functionality make it an effective aid for individuals dealing with insomnia, stress, or racing thoughts at bedtime. Dudo serves as a natural and technology-driven approach to fostering healthier sleep patterns. Number 3. SAER MultiFunction Foldable Level. The SAER MultiFunction Foldable Level is a versatile and practical tool designed for precise measurements and leveling tasks. Featuring a foldable design, it offers compact portability while providing a range of functions. Typically equipped with bubble vials for accurate leveling, it may include a ruler for measurements. The foldable aspect enhances convenience for storage and transportation. Some models might incorporate additional features like laser levels for improved accuracy. Whether used in construction, woodworking, or DIY projects, the SAER MultiFunction Foldable Level aims to simplify tasks by offering a combination of leveling, measuring, and potentially other functionalities in a single user-friendly tool. Number 4. LaserPecker. LaserPecker is a brand known for its compact and versatile laser engraving devices. These portable engraves utilize laser technology to engrave or mark various surfaces, including wood, leather, plastic, and metal. LaserPecker devices are designed for ease of use, often featuring user-friendly interfaces and wireless connectivity, allowing users to control the engraving process through a smartphone or computer. These portable engravers are suitable for a range of applications, from creating personalized items to adding intricate designs to various materials. The LaserPecker brand has gained popularity for providing accessible and innovative solutions for individuals interested in laser engraving and customization. Number 5. BenjiLock. BenjiLock is a brand known for its innovative fingerprint padlocks and security solutions. The company gained attention for introducing biometric technology to traditional padlocks, allowing users to unlock their belongings using their unique fingerprints. BenjiLock padlocks typically offer a secure and convenient alternative to traditional combinations or key-based locks. The fingerprint recognition technology adds an extra layer of security while eliminating the need to remember codes or carry keys. These locks are suitable for various applications such as securing lockers, luggage, and doors. Hey incredible viewers, if you are enjoying the content so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Subscribing not only keeps you updated on all our latest videos but also helps support the channel. Join our community and let us continue this awesome journey together. Now, back to the video. You won't want to miss what is coming up next. Number 6. TrueGrip. TrueGrip is a handheld, gear-type mobile keyboard that was designed to improve the efficiency of text input on mobile devices. It features an innovative design with keys placed on the back of the device, allowing users to grip it like a steering wheel. This unique approach aims to offer a more ergonomic and comfortable typing experience, particularly for mobile professionals and individuals who need to input substantial amounts of text on the go. TrueGrip's design also integrates with various smartphones and tablets, providing a portable solution for those who require efficient text input in diverse environments. Number 7. Tatula Microspikes. Tatula Microspikes are versatile traction devices designed for enhanced grip and stability on icy and snowy terrain. Consisting of a durable elastomer harness and strategically placed stainless steel spikes, these compact and lightweight spikes effortlessly slip over various footwear, from hiking boots to running shoes. The elastomer harness ensures a secure fit, while the 3x8-inch spikes deliver exceptional traction on slippery surfaces, preventing slips and falls during winter activities. The design allows for easy on and off application, making them convenient for spontaneous adventure. Ideal for hikers, trail runners, and outdoor enthusiasts, Tatula Microspikes provide confidence and security when navigating challenging winter landscapes. Number 8. Titanium Peel Fob. A titanium peel fob is a compact and durable storage container designed to hold small items such as medication, emergency cash, or other essential items. Crafted from high-quality titanium, these fobs are not only lightweight but also corrosion-resistant, making them ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers. The threaded, airtight seal ensures that contents remain secure and protected from the elements. The sleek and minimalist design allow for easy attachment to keychains or necklaces, offering a discreet and convenient solution for carrying crucial items. With its robust construction and portability, the titanium peel fob is a reliable accessory for those prioritizing practicality and durability. Number 9. CPX USB Flash Drive. CPX USB Flash Drive combines modern data storage with an intriguing and secure design. Resembling a miniature vault, it features a mechanical combination lock system with a customizable code. Crafted from durable materials, the CPX not only safeguards digital data but also adds an element of physical security. Its cylindrical casing rotates to unveil the USB connector only when the correct combination is dialed. This unique blend of technology and aesthetics makes it an ideal choice for those who prioritize data protection with a touch of intrigue. The CPX USB Flash Drive seamlessly merges functionality and an element of mystery for users seeking a distinctive storage solution. Number 10. Kodak Step Printer. The Kodak Step Printer is a compact and portable instant photo printer designed to effortlessly transform digital memories into tangible prints. With wireless connectivity, it enables users to print directly from smartphones or tablets using the Kodak Step Printer app. Utilizing dye sublimation technology, it produces vibrant 2x3-inch photos with rich colors and high resolution. The printer's user-friendly interface and pocket-sized form factor make it an ideal companion for on-the-go printing, allowing users to create and share physical photos in an instant. The Kodak Step Printer bridges the gap between digital and physical photography, providing a convenient and fun way to preserve and share moments. Thank you so much for joining us on this adventure today. If you enjoyed the content, give us a thumbs up and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. Your support means the world to us. If you have any thoughts, drop them in the comments. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay awesome and catch you in the next video.